You may have heard of VITURE before because they make some of the coolest and most groundbreaking XR glasses that you can get. And VITURE has just released their new Luma series that has some huge improvements over their previous generation of glasses. And I've been checking out these VITURE Luma Pro for the past couple of weeks, and I've got to say, they are fantastic. And I also got the opportunity to head to one of the global offices that VITURE has to meet David Jiang, who is their CEO and co-founder, and ask him a couple of questions. But first off, let me show you exactly what you get with the new Luma Pro when you unbox it. It's a cool unboxing experience thanks to the funky design on the front, and inside that box you have a quick instruction manual, which is always helpful, and underneath that you have the brand new VITURE Luma Pro glasses in this really high quality zipped case. And then inside that case you have the brand new VITURE Luma Pro glasses, and I've got to say, these look incredibly cool. And when you put these on, it gets a whole lot better. You get a huge 152-inch display right in front of your eyes, and once you plug in and are ready to go, you'll notice that 152-inch display is incredibly bright. It's 1000 nits, and the display is one of the best on the market. You get a 4K-like display, and while it's hard to show you exactly what this looks like on camera, what you'll see is an ultra sharp screen, which is actually the sharpest you can get on the market. The last generation of the VITURE glasses had a field of view of 46 degrees, but these new Luma Pros get a huge upgrade to 52 degrees field of view. They have also announced VITURE the Beast, which will ship later this year and has a whopping 58-degree field of view. Truly the best in such a small form factor. But I've got to say, one of my favorite parts of the entire glasses is that design. They look really sleek with their matte transparent design. There's a magnetic interchangeable nose pad that can fit all face shapes, and an electric chromatic filter to darken the glasses when using them to view content. And they have dynamic lighting effects too, and I'll be honest, they look fantastic. And don't worry, even if you wear prescription glasses, they have myopia adjustment dials that can support diopters from 0 to -4 degrees on Luma Pros, a truly thoughtful design. The Luma series even have tilt adjustable arms to make sure you get that perfect fit, and to me they look more like regular glasses. And when talking to David, I asked him his vision for the future design of VITURE glasses.
Our goal is to make the most discreet glasses for users. So we're just keep improving our glasses to make it lighter, thinner, but FOV going to be larger. What
I found the VITURE glasses to be fantastic for though is gaming. Plugging these glasses directly into the Steam Deck gives you that 152-inch 4K-like display, meaning that you can become immersed in your game wherever you are. And if you pair that with the HARMAN audio that is built into these glasses, you've got yourself a great gaming setup. If you have a Switch 2, you can also use their mobile dock to connect two glasses together to play with your friends. And if you're into mobile gaming, they've partnered with 8BitDo on a gamepad, so you can use your phone to play mobile games, and then you can connect your VITURE Luma Pro to that controller. I would say that this is a total game changer for mobile gamers. Other than gaming, you can plug these glasses into your laptop, desktop, phones, basically any device that supports USB-C DP Alt. Then you unlock that huge immersive and portable display in front of your eyes. And I've also tried watching downloaded Netflix series on my phone whilst on a flight using these glasses, and the experience was amazing. But there is another trick that the VITURE glasses have, and that is Immersive 3D, which can take any photo or video and in real time turn that into 3D. And David explained exactly where they got the inspiration to create this groundbreaking feature.
And one thing inspired us is the iPhone's spatial video. But the problem is that, what about the past videos, right? Those videos can't be done in spatial video anymore. So that's why we developed this feature.
So this feature can convert any pictures and videos, no matter where they were taken, into 3D. And the first time you try this, honestly, you'll be blown away by it. And you can even convert any live video into real-time 3D content. And this is even if it isn't shot in 3D. So any YouTube video you can then watch in 3D. What VITURE has done here is massively impressive. I also asked David what he thinks the future of XR might look like, and if XR glasses would ever replace your smartphone.
Eventually, after all the technology is ready, I believe people are gonna need a mobile phone less and less. And after the AI get mature, I believe AI is gonna revolutionize the entire industry. So for the glasses, I think naturally all the applications gonna be redesigned by AI. So you're gonna have more seamless and intuitive interface on the glasses instead of on the mobile phone right now.
If VITURE Luma Pro wasn't enough for you, VITURE have actually also announced the VITURE Luma Ultra and the Beast, which are coming later this year. And the Luma Ultra is the pinnacle of XR glasses. Luma Ultra features a triple camera system, offering significantly improved hand tracking accuracy and spatial awareness compared to single camera configurations like the Luma Pro. That means Luma Ultra will have full 6-DoF capabilities. This basically means you can have windows and objects stay anchored in place and interact with you in real time. It's hugely impressive to get this level of immersive augmented reality on these lightweight XR glasses. I can see why VITURE glasses are so different to any other XR glasses that are out there on the market, and David explained exactly how they achieve this.
So the reason why VITURE is different from other glasses maker in the past is that we don't produce XR glasses. We produce the whole new experience. We don't make a hammer and find the nails. We find the nails and then we'll make the best hammer for that nail.
So that is the groundbreaking Luma series from VITURE with their Luma Pro and the 6-DoF capable Luma Ultra. And there is the more affordable but still great basic version Luma. They've also announced VITURE the Beast, a more superior pair of XR glasses with 58 degrees field of view powered by an all-new optics module. VITURE are doing something really special here, and it means that these might be some of the best XR glasses that you can pick up.